What is holding you back from being more active or eating better or potentially losing weight? That is a serious question that I'm asking you, because the answer is within you. I don't have the answer to that question, you do. And I want to help you figure out what it is that is stopping you from doing something that you absolutely can do, that I know that you can do, and that I can help you figure out how best to do for yourself. My name is Bedoya, and this is Why Wait. And as a university lecturer, I have taught thousands of students how to take control of their health, of their diet, and of their physical activity levels. And I want to help you guys do the same. So in this video, I really want you to understand this concept of barriers, things that hold you back from reaching the successes that you want to reach. In the next videos, I'm going to dive into some of the most common barriers to weight loss success and dieting success and physical activity success, and hopefully help you figure out what it is that is potentially holding you back from being successful, and how you can shift things around to get to a place where you feel more in control of these behaviors and your life. Okay, so this concept of barriers comes up a lot in the health promotion conversations. When I say a barrier, think of like a wall. Think of like something standing in your way. You are trying to eat better, you are trying to exercise more, you are trying to lose weight, but there's this thing that is holding you back. And most likely than not, there are several things. The things that come up most often when you ask people, why can't you eat better or why can't you exercise more, are things like time. Now, time is an interesting concept because technically we have enough of it, but we often don't feel like we have enough of it. I'm going to address this in another video and how we can deal with this. Another barrier that often comes up is people talk about willpower. Willpower is a funny term that a lot of people like to throw around, like just have more willpower. But what does that mean, and how do we increase our willpower to lower the barrier of feeling like we don't have that kind of control? Another thing that holds people back from long-term success are emotional or mental health issues as well. Now, I am not a psychologist or a psychiatrist, but I do know quite a bit about mental health, and I do know that it is a very strong barrier sometimes to things like eating better and exercising more. We're going to address this in another video as well. Another big barrier that comes up quite often when it comes to long-term success are your social circles, the people that you surround yourself with. Unfortunately, people can be really great for behavior change, and people can be terrible as far as helping you towards healthy behavior change. So how can we work with our social circles to help promote those positive changes? We're going to cover that in other videos, but really today, I really want you to start thinking about for yourself, what is standing in my way? What makes it difficult for me? Because your answer is going to impact how we approach it. Because once you know what's standing in your way, well, we're on our way. Then we can start figuring out how can we problem solve through that in order to potentially feel like we have more control over these behaviors and gain more control over our diet and physical activity, our weight, our body, our lives. Okay, that's what I want for you to figure out. That's what I want for me to figure out. And hopefully we can figure that out together. Okay, so come back for the next video and we'll talk more about specific barriers and how we can approach those. Been a pleasure chatting with you today. See you next time.